Ukujola eklasini, ukujola emsebenzini, ukugucula ube yinhlekisa, lento le Ayenziwa. Hayi angiyifuni kabi. Mina ngafunda isifundo ngenza ugrade 11. Ngajola nomunye ucheri bathi nguphumeza blose. Bengimbambela isikhwama makuphuma isikolo. Ngebreak masiceda ukudla besihlala soyithuna, sicoce ukuze size sibuyele emaklasini. Hayi angazi ngibani wafika isiphephe staff room kwazi botishera ukuthi mina naye siyathandana. Ha! Yazi umem we life orientation bathi makangena eklasini ngelinye ilanga wakhomba wonke umuntu wabona ukuthi sithargetiwe ene bantu bebanga notice nabo lelo langa bacala kunothisa saba yinhlekisa nje. Ngikhumbula kahle wangena eklasini wathi today sizofunda ngama causes of stress and problem solving. Yeah, tell me what are the causes of stress? Anything you feared ukuthi lento le it causes stress. Hayi phakamisa ke eklasini lot of homeworks causes stress kuhlekwe. Period life science phela vele beyiba relaxed. Baphakamisa abanye. Passing of a family member. Oh yes, that's very stressful. Abuzo munye. Not performing well in your assignment or test. Yes, when you're not doing well academically, you are right. I mean, isandla ngisiphakamisa abanye basiphakamisile. Yabona. Changing schools. Correct. Changing of school from one school to another. When you get to the other one, you have to find friends and one. Mina sola ngaphakamisa Dladla semgababa kagogo wakho la give me one cause of stress ngithi break up or a divorce. Athi oh okay uhleli lapho ucabanga lokho. Oh all right. That's also correct ayibhale ebhodini. Abanye basaqhubeka baphakamisile athi ehlisana izandla ngiyayikhethela manje phuma zablose. Give me one cause of stress as well. Uphumeza naye angazi kwaqondala noma njani athi uphumeza finding out that you are pregnant while you are still at school. Athi hey yeah those are all causes of stress. You are right Phumeza. I phela period life orientation. Athi besa semnyanga athi Phumeza blose Thokozani Dladla see me after school. We need to talk. All right. Haya phu ngene uthisha we life science. Akungena uthisha we life science besazi vele ukuthi makangena ufuna ama textbook e life science abephezulu kwetafula and no other book. Ngabe ubhizi ngokunye uyema ubeka I textbook ye life science phezulu kwetafula. Hayi sisakhipha nje abanye sibavele bawabekile phezulu kwetafula ama textbook athi do not open your textbook yet. Today I'm introducing a new topic. Ngimkhumbula kahle uMiskekana waseLimpopo. Athi I'm introducing a new topic, human reproduction. I want to test the knowledge that you already have on the topic and then I will teach you more and add on what you already know. Human reproduction. Let's start. How is a fetus formed? Asizwe abantabam. Yazi angafundi yabo wonke umuntu was taken by surprise eklasini ukuthi yabona sicala le topic ye human reproduction. Athi Dladla I don't want hands up. I want to choose for myself. I want to choose the culprits. Yabo. Nithi ma'am, please repeat the question for me. Dladla Thokozani. I will repeat the question for you. How is a fetus formed? Zitumupotiyana ndita angazi ngicale ngakuphi ngasebenzisa general knowledge ngathi mina no you know the male must pull his pants down and insert the ngathi ngakaqedwa wathi Dladla yeah, it's life science. This is not Emmanuel after 12. Ne? This is not ETV Emmanuel after 12. This is life science. We speak science here. You are not ready for grade 12. I thought you are ready for grade 12, but I don't think you will be going to grade 12 with that kind of answers you are giving me. Anyone else? How is a fetus formed? Phumeza. Hey, Phumeza iphendule. During the process of fertilization, the sperm must unite with an egg and be in one fallopian tube to form a zygote. Yes, yes. Yes, I'm so proud of you. You are ready. You see answers that I'm looking for. Scientific terms in a science subject. Life science, we speak science. I don't what I was given earlier. Dladla, redeem yourself. Redeem yourself. What stages takes place during pregnancy? Tell me my stages from the trimester until the day the woman gives birth. Tell me of the stages in which a child develops until the child is born. Tell me of those stages. Tell me redeem yourself, Dladla. Yazi ngiyabona ukuthi yabona namuhla ngiyahlaziswa ngoba why asola khetha mina ngoba mina sengizamile phela ubonile ukuthi ngihlulekile ekuqaleni uyabuya la kimi. Hey, ngibheke phansi athi you want me to repeat the question again? Ngithi no, I think I know. The first trimester the stomach will be flat, and then second trimester the stage that takes place there, the woman will have cravings, stomach will be a little bit bigger, and the baby must start kicking at. Dladla, is that your serious answer? Yes, ma'am. You said stages of the development of the baby until the baby is born. Yes, that's the question, but those are not the stages. Thokozani, you have a serious issue because I believed in you. You were doing well, but until today, I don't think you are ready for grade 12. Phumeza, I think you need to look, my darling. Phumeza, you are bright and beautiful. Please don't waste your time ngabo Dladla. The only thing that Dladla knows is pulling down of pens and inserting. Hey, bahleke eklasini ndoda. Engibona ukuthi ngathi kungavela umgodi wokungena ngene.